Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy index funds on Etrade. First, you'll need to open an Etrade brokerage account, which is your gateway to investing. Once your account is set up, fund it using a bank transfer or by depositing a check. After your funds are available, simply navigate to the Invest tab on the Etrade platform to get started with your purchase. Now, let's find the right index fund for you. Head over to the Mutual Funds or ETFade section, depending on your preference. You can filter your search by index funds, expense ratio, and even the fund family. Take your time to review each fund's performance and understand its investment objectives before making a selection. Once you've chosen an index fund, it's time to place your order. Select the fund and click the Trade button. You'll then enter the amount of money you wish to invest, or specify the number of shares you want to buy. Remember to choose your order type, whether it's a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a specific price. Before finalizing your purchase, carefully review all the order details on the confirmation screen. Double-check the fund, amount, and order type to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transaction to complete your index fund purchase. Afterward, you can easily monitor your investment's performance directly through your Etrade portfolio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.